Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on all the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Lenovo LP3 Pro earphones. These TWS Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds are a game changer when it comes to high-fidelity music and gaming experiences. With a sleek design and advanced technology, these earphones are a must-have for anyone who values quality sound and convenience. Let's talk about the features of the Lenovo LP3 Pro earphones. First off, the Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures a stable and fast connection, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted music and gaming sessions. The built-in display lets you easily check the battery level and pairing status. And speaking of battery, the 1200 mAh battery case provides 120 hours of standby time, so you can rely on these earphones throughout the day. But what really sets the Lenovo LP3 Pro earphones apart is the exceptional sound quality. With HIFI music and dynamic bass, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of a live concert. And for all the gamers out there, these earbuds deliver a truly immersive gaming experience with precise sound positioning and low latency. So why should you choose the Lenovo LP3 Pro earphones? Well, if you're someone who values top-notch sound quality, reliable Bluetooth connectivity, and long-lasting battery life, these earphones are a no-brainer. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a gamer, or simply someone who wants to upgrade their audio experience, the Lenovo LP3 Pro earphones are the perfect choice. And the best part? You can grab a pair of these amazing earphones by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your audio game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.